What's up, everybody? Paul Hickey here with your data-driven daily tip. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up heat mapping code on your website so that you can actually see the data on how people are clicking on various aspects of your website, where they're scrolling to and stopping, and you can use this data at a later date to make decisions on how to improve your web design. So the first thing you're going to need is an account with a heat mapping system software like CrazyEgg. There's also one called Hotjar. There's a ton of these out there. Visual Website Optimizer is another new one, but the one I'm showing you on my screen right now is CrazyEgg. And you're also going to need access to your website. In this data-driven daily tip, I'm going to use a WordPress website as an example. So once you create your CrazyEgg account, I want to say the minimum is about $500 or $600 for the year. So when you break it down monthly, it's pretty affordable, especially if you have clients or if you're a brand and have multiple web properties or really just want to use data to make decisions on how to optimize your website better. So you're going to go into your CrazyEgg account and ultimately you're going to create a snapshot. But before I show you the snapshot, I'm going to show you how to install CrazyEgg. And it's really just a tracking code snippet, and you can click the tracking code and then choose the method to install. In this case, there's a few different options. You can connect to WordPress and activate the CrazyEgg WordPress plugin if you're logged into your WordPress site. You can install the tracking pixel yourself, which is, I think, is the easiest way to do it actually. Or if you're using a website developer, or if you want us to help you with it, you can email it to your web developer. There's also third-party apps that it integrates with. CrazyEgg integrates with Google Tag Manager, Shopify, Wix, Squarespace, Drupal, Magento, and Joomla. But then there's also, obviously, WordPress is the #1 option. So I'm going to click it. I can install the script myself. It shows you your script. You copy it to the clipboard, and then you go ahead into the back end of your WordPress site, and you either install a plugin like the header footer scripts inserter by SpaceX Chimp, or your theme probably has something like this. In this case, it's the Genesis theme that already has header and footer scripts globally that you can go ahead and paste them into. And you can see right here, we've pasted our code snippet into the header scripts. Once we've done that, we've installed our code snippet properly, and then it's the fun part to go ahead and set up your snapshots. So it's really easy to do that within CrazyEgg. You just go over to Snapshots on the left-hand side, add new over on the right-hand side, add new snapshot. And then the cool option is you can either do one page by clicking one snapshot on the right-hand side, or you can select multiple snapshots. In this case, I'm going to do one snapshot. I'm going to enter in the URL of the website that I want to take a look at here, and in this case it's going to be this URL, twicedaily.com/careers for those of you listening, and I'm going to paste the URL into CrazyEgg, and I'm going to name it Twice Daily Careers page, and I'm going to put something referencing the date today. And then I'm going to say yes to the 3 separate snapshots for each device, desktop, mobile, and tablet. We'll see how well that works out. I'm going to start it immediately. You can also schedule it, and I'm going to schedule it to end in 60 days or in 25,000 visits. Either one of those two will definitely give us the ability to get enough data. So it's telling me that I need to add the www, so I'm going to accept that. And then once I accept that, I am going to have a snapshot running. So now we're reviewing my snapshot. I've created 3, one for desktop, tablet, and mobile. And then after 60 days or 25,000 visits, I'm going to have enough data to see something that looks generally like this. I'm going to show you an example of what you're going to have here. And for those of you listening, I'm pulling up a snapshot that was created several months ago, and we're looking at a heat map, which is a visualization of where users have clicked on a web page and where they haven't clicked, a scroll map, which is where they scroll to and stop most often, and where they don't even scroll to, which is really nice data to have. And then Confetti, which is my personal favorite. The Confetti shows actual clicks, and it also shows you the referral source that those clicks have come in from. So in this case, we're looking at Google, Android, Facebook, Direct, mobile Facebook, Indeed.com, and Twitter. So this, my friends, has been your data-driven daily tip around getting heat mapping code on your website, how to do it, how to install the tracking code, how to create the snapshot, and what you're going to look at, what kind of data you're going to get at the end of it. For more free digital marketing and web design tips, go to dataoveropinions.com, and to listen on Alexa or the podcast, go to datadrivendaily.com or pauljhickey.com. And if you want to talk about how we can help your company, email me at paul@datadriven.design. Thanks and have a great day.